Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Neubecker and I'm going to be presenting my portfolio project. So the fallacy that I decided to go with was denying the conjunct. So in general terms, if P, then Q, not P, therefore not Q. This fallacy claims that at least one of them is false, but they can also be true. So not P, therefore not Q. Pretty much the way this works is if X, then Y, X is not true, therefore Y is also not true. Kind of like that P and Q thing, but interchanging X and Y. To do a truth table regarding this, it's pretty simple. Since P and Q are both true, not P and not Q are both going to be false. If P is true and Q is false, then not P is going to be false and not Q is going to be true. So it's kind of just flip-flopping. Same thing for if P were false, Q would be true, not P would be true, not Q would be false. And then finally, if both P and Q are false, then not P and not Q are true. A few examples to explain that is if she's hungry, she'll get a snack. She wasn't hungry, therefore she didn't get a snack. So let's say if she is hungry is H, and then she'll get a snack is S. So if H, then S, but since she wasn't H, she won't get an S. Same thing for if he is on time to school, he'll get a gold star, but he was late for school, therefore he didn't get a gold star. So let's say getting to school on time is T, gold star is G, so if T, then G, but he wasn't T, so he doesn't get a G. That's kind of like simple terms to explain that, but that is all denying the conjunct. So in my personal life, I'm in nursing school, so I plan on being a nurse one day. So if the nurse is on time for a shift, the medications will be administered on time, but the nurse was late for her shift, therefore the medications were not administered on time. The nurse needed to be on time in order to give the medication, and I did extensive research on this, and it's actually a serious issue if the nurse doesn't administer medication on time. A lot of people, patients, residents have scheduled medication for a reason. So kind of putting this into perspective, it seems silly using these one-letter sentences, like complex sentences, but it really helps break down serious issues like this. So time could be T, medications M. So if T, then M, but not T, so not M. So since I was late to work, none of my people got their medications on time, and now I'm in a lot of trouble. So that's kind of just applying it to the real world and seeing that these things actually appear quite often. And then I did have a few sources that I included a lot of information in my paper, again with clinical prevalence and risk factors with medication time errors, so if I'm not giving my medication on time. And then I also used two sources to understand denying the antecedent and conjunct. Thank you for listening.